Okay, grade 4, let's talk about the work of SST which you will get today. As you have done the exercise of book of lesson number 11 yesterday and submitted it today in the group. So today you will do your question answers, and question answers are total 5, but along with these question answers you will attempt this apply it also. You will look very carefully what is the picture given here, and you will answer these two questions. Type of climate is house, and what kind of clothes people can wear in this climate. Now let's talk about the question answers. First is, what do the terms weather and climate mean? We have to define the meaning of these two terms. So for this you can go for page number 68 and you can find out that it's given here that what is weather? The condition of air over a particular place and for particular time, that is weather. And climate is the average weather of a particular place for many years. जो एक तरह का उनका मौसम रहता है वहाँ पर, क्लाइमेट रहता है, वो काफ़ी सालों तक वैसा ही रहे, तो उसको हम क्लाइमेट कहते हैं. Then you are having question number 2. Name the 3 climates in India. The climates, that means seasons. The climates of India are winter, summer and monsoon. Then question number 3. Define seasons. Name the seasons of India. Again, climate and seasons both are similar given here. So you can find out that seasons in India are winter, summer and monsoon. So firstly you have to define seasons. Seasons क्या होते हैं? They are caused by the earth's rotation when it is coming near or going far away from the sun. जब वो सन के पास में या सन से दूर होती है तो उसके सीजन्स डिफाइन होते हैं. That is the definition of seasons, and 3 seasons are winter, summer and monsoon. What are the types of clothes worn during summer? लोग कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं समर में, या हम कैसे पहनते हैं समर के अंदर? People wear cotton clothes like t-shirts, simple shorts, cotton sarees, kurtas and skirts. And last question is, name the coldest place in India. And for this answer you can go for your crossword also, because in crossword also you have done a number 2, the coldest place in India, and that is Dras. I hope you all will do this question answers and submit it tomorrow in the group. Thank you.